We're gonna get a little perchy perch right here. I gotta be real precise. Fuck it. I was gonna like put the arm on there, but oh god, that was terrifying. I almost clipped the nose on the... That was bad. Alright, let's see. What kind of funky, sketchy line can we do? Am I going to be going the right way if I do that? No. Am I going to be going the right way if I do this? Dun 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 dun.
Till next time.
Yeah.
Godspeed. Thank you as well. Yeah, I'll be alright. We'll work it out for you. She likes this.
Oh! I was looking past it.
Alright, fellas.
Juices. See ya. Dude, I'm getting real sloppy. I need to stop. You gotta commit. I don't know if I have the... I wanted to like slide. I wanted to slide on these things.
It's like black stuff.
Fell into it. I also want to do this, but I'm really terrified. Is there light in that one? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna dock on this. Well, I can dock on this first. And then there's like the actual hole that I want to go up in. I don't know. Got it! Do I need to do it again? Okay. Hold on.
He's like, I didn't know this was possible when it came out. Now I gotta go home and rethink everything.
Damn, the veins popping on my leg. Fucking.